Well, today, Madison city leaders announced plans to file a federal lawsuit against Kia and Hyundai, alleging the car manufacturers have failed to install anti-theft technology in their vehicles. Vehicles made by both manufacturers have been targets of widespread thefts over the past year because of security vulnerabilities that allow thieves to start a car using nothing more than a screwdriver and a USB cable. Thefts have become so pervasive that local police departments have offered up steering wheel locks and recommended theft prevention software updates to deter would-be thieves.
When I learned that um, 90 plus percent of other makes and models have a really common sense prevention devices in them and programming in them, and that Kia and Hyundai don't, that just felt like, listen, this is an industry best practice that wasn't followed, and it has cost a lot of time and energy.
According to data from the Madison Police Department, Kia and Hyundai thefts in the summer of 2022 increased by 270% compared to 2021. Vehicles from both manufacturers accounted for just under half of all the vehicle thefts in Madison between July and August of 2022.